So, it's been a while since I did a Simon hiccuping video. I thought it was about time we updated. So this is Simon's birthday, 2016. End of party. Hiccuping.
I can't guarantee these. They just happen. It's just a thing.
It's just a thing. We were discussing.
It's a birthday thing.
It's a birthday thing.
I don't do it any other time.
But what causes it?
I don't know.
Do you drink more on your birthday?
Yes. Maybe.
Is that it?
Maybe. Maybe that's it.
Look, you just scared off the cat.
Yeah, the cats don't like it. I can't go. I don't know.
Have you had a good birthday?
Yes. It's been awesome. Very good. I'm mostly impressed with my nieces and nephews and all the toddlers that have been involved on the keyboards. They've written some really cool music.
Mm.
They didn't know they'd written decent music, but luckily I captured it and I will use it to my...
You're going to plagiarise your nieces and nephews.
I'll be a millionaire. I'll be like Simon Cowell.
Nice.
Just use the talent.
Use it.
See how it works, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's a good hiccup. Maybe I should film you drinking an upside down glass of water
No.
while sucking a lemon. Thank you and good night.